In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we commenced the chapter that is known as discourse analysis. Listeners and audience, yesterday I told you about overlap. That overlap refers to when two speakers they are speaking at the same time. Or overlap means when one speaker is talking and another speaker is also begins to speak and the current speaker does not stop in speaking. And I also told you that sometime overlap is cooperative and also sometime overlap is interruptive. Listeners and audience, today I am going to teach you the cooperative aspects of overlap. So the first type of overlap I am going to talk about, that is cooperative overlap. What is cooperative overlap? What is the example of overlap? A cooperative overlap. And when cooperative overlap takes place, when it is cooperative and when it is interruptive. All these will be discussed in today's topic. Listeners and audience, cooperative overlap refers to when a listener becomes the speaker in order to show interest or agreement in what the current speaker is talking about. Listeners and audience, in cooperative overlap, the listener does not want to interrupt whatever the current speaker is talking about, but he wants to show interest, enthusiastic listenership, and active participation. Now the question arises, what is the reason or what are the reasons behind cooperative overlap? The reasons behind cooperative overlap is it happens to show interest, to show agreement, to show active participation, and also enthusiastic listenership. Now, where cooperative overlap is supportive, where it is cooperative and where it is not cooperative. Cooperative overlap is cooperative when it is between two friends. It is cooperative when it is between a storyteller and the listener of that story. For example, two friends, they are talking. One friend is sharing some information and another friend, he actually shows some words like yes, good, or showing agreement, and he also wants to reveal to him, to disclose to him that actually he is taking participation and interest, and it helps to move forward the conversation for the listener. But remember, between boss and employee, it is not cooperative. Between friends, it is cooperative. Between students and teacher, it is not cooperative. Listeners and audience, so the cooperative aspects of cooperative overlap is it is cooperative and helpful between two friends, between storyteller and the listener, but they are not cooperative when it comes to between student and teacher and boss and employee. Now, what is the example of cooperative overlap? One example I presented that when a storyteller sharing the story and the listener is listening, and the midst he says something. Another example is of the two friends. One friend is sharing information and another friend is also talking with him. He does not want to interrupt, but he wants to show that he takes interest, shows agreement. And the third very interesting example is that when a speaker says something and he begins to laugh, the listener also laughs with him at the same time. So both of them are laughing at the same time. It is the best example of cooperative overlap. Now, what are the other aspects of overlap, interruptive aspects of overlap? We will discuss it by tomorrow. Thank you.